Welcome to the MathHub Mathematics in Stato Nasendi. In today's class, we are going to revise the differentiation of trig functions using those two examples. So ndozvatiri kuita musi waranhasi. Kana tichidifferentiate trigonometrical functions, that is primarily sine, cos na tan, there are two things which we are expected to know. Saka ndichazvinyora pasi zvinhu zvacho zvatinotarisirwa kuziva, and this is going to form part of our revision of the differentiation of trig functions. The first thing is trig functions ane predetermined set of results, and these predetermined sets of results, they are also quotable. Kureva kuti we already know the derivative of main kana kuti primary trig functions. We are given this information, of course, in our formula booklet. Kureva kuti you are not expected kuzvikrema, but I would encourage you kuti muzive the basic derivatives of sine theta, cos theta na tan theta. So I'm going to put down the table and also show you my derivatives amufanirwa kuziva offhand. So the table is going to be something like this. We are obviously going to have a function, then we have its associative derivative. So it's something like this. What is the derivative of sine theta? Mufanirwa kuiziva. The derivative of sine theta the cos theta. What is the derivative of cos theta? The minus sine theta. What is the derivative of tan theta? The derivative of tan theta and sec squared theta. Saka aya ari 3 aya, you are expected to know them offhand. Akakosha. Asi kune amwe ese andichanyora pasasapa, you can as well look them up in your formula booklet. Kana mamakanganwa, the derivative of cosec theta is minus cosec theta cot theta. The derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta, and then the derivative of cot theta is minus cosec squared theta. Saka for the benefit of doubt, kune vanenge vakanganwa kuti iko kuti cosec sec nekuti cot zorevei. Kana tichiti cosec theta, tiri kungoti 1 over sine theta. Kana tichiti sec theta, tiri kuti 1 over cos theta. And then lastly, kana tichiti cot theta, tiri kuti 1 over tan theta. Saka munotarisa the third letter in the word, ndoinokuudzai kuti inverse of which trig function we are considering. Cosec, the third letter, is s. This actually means cosecant, if it is written in full. Iko kutoti like inoi yakaita seyakanzi sin, in full inenge iri sine. Then yakanzi cos, in full inenge iri cosine. Yakanzi tan, in full inenge iri tangent. Saka this is just something to know. Saka kana chiti cosec, tiri kuti cosecant. Kana tichiti sec, tiri kuti secant, and cot zoreva kuti cotangent. In such a way kuti ko unoyu andika ari kungo indicator who inverse, and kana chiti inverse in mathematics chiti 1 over. So this was just borrowed from the topic trigonometry kuti murangarire. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a space, working space of course. So I'm going to move this part, it's very important in material. I'm going to move it over to this end. Then I'm also going to remove this part. Otherwise, the second most important thing to note when we are doing the derivative, kind of differentiation of trig functions, is the strategy which we use. We use what is called PTA strategy. And this is the important part. Saka P yedu inomiririra derivative with respect to power. Saka nchanyora nchiti derivative with respect to WRT power. Then T yakamirira derivative cannot differentiate with respect to T yakamira trig function, cannot trigonometrical function, however I want to put it. Then lastly, A yakamirira derivative or differentiate with respect to algebraic expression. So this is what we have. Saka you should also know kuti tinozviita in this particular order. Tinotanga ta differentiate with respect to power, tapedza zvatawana toti times, to differentiate with respect to the trig function, tapedza zvatawana toti times, to differentiate with respect to the algebraic part, and algebraic expression. That is how it is done. So those are the two main things we are expected to know kuti tigone kudifferentiate ma trigonometrical functions. We are going to go through those 6 practice questions from example 1 and also from example 2. So I'm going to start with 1A. I want to keep these 2 parts because of their relative importance, but because I want to create a space, maybe tikadai, so it's going to be for the better. Saka, let me try to pile them up like this. Saka, you now know, you need to know the predetermined values of derivatives. You also need to know the PTA strategy. Saka 1A manje iri kuda kuti ti differentiate the following with respect to x. Saka pa A takapiwa sin 2x. Zvazviri ngoreva pano ndezvekuti tiri kunzi titsvage f prime of x kandinyore yakadai so, which is the first derivative. So what is going to be the first derivative? What is going to be our dy dx? Reason handisina kunyora kuti dy dx inawe yekuti hatina kuudziwa kuti y is equal to sin 2x. Saka I'm being technical panapa because mathematics is a language, a very precise language which we should follow to the letter. So I wrote f prime of x just to move around that, but mukati dy dx, no one is going to punish you for that. And if someone can argue with why are you saying f prime of x when you are not told that that's a function of x. I'm also doing an inference in that order. Saka, you can write that or you can write dy dx as namoso. So this is going to be equal to PTA. Inini pandakaitawo form 6 ndaitonyora pakona rebepa, be it my rough paper, kuti PTA, just to remind me. Saka chekutanga, we are going to differentiate with respect to the power. But apo do we have a power? Because power yedu, remember, inofanira kunge yakanyorwa panapa. Saka since panapa tisina a power, zvoreva kuti we are going to ignore the first part. But if you are a technician, you can argue kuti panapa tinayo power e to the power 1. Saka since e to the power 1, we can actually differentiate with respect to power. How do we do that? 1 unouya ndika achadona yova 1 sine of, then pana 1 panapa panenge pakuti 1 minus 1 andika 2x. This is going to be the derivative with respect to power. So we are going to finish up this so that you can have an inclination of what is actually happening. Saka tapedza kudifferentiate with respect to power, kuroti we are going to freeze everything else and focus entirely on the power. Tinouya pana patoti times. Takuda kuenda pana t, differentiating with respect to the trig function. So the question we ask ourselves, what is the derivative of sine? The derivative of sine theta, the cos theta. Kureva kuti kana takudifferentiate with respect to trig, theta kuti times cos, and we ignore the power, we just take this part. Saka tonyora takati cos 2x. Cos 2x, please mind panapa. Tichatarisa this sine part, learn kuti the derivative is cos, tonyora cos yacho. Then the angle 2x, we just retain it as it is 2x, so it becomes cos 2x. And tatopedza differentiating with respect to trig. Takuda uchipedzisira manje nekudifferentiate with respect to algebra, of which tiringotarisa this part na 2x, the derivative is going to be 2. So let us simplify further. Panapa ichava 1 sine of 1 minus 1 is 0, 2x times cos 2x times 2. Saka reason yatinoignore panapa kana panga pasina a power kuroti pana 1, it's because this is going to reduce to 1. As you should know, according to laws of indices, anything raised to the power 0 gives us 1. So that is the primary principle which is in operation there. Saka this is going to be equal to, musaita mistake yekuti 2 unoyo moti 2 times 2 moti cos 4x. That's a very amateurish mistake. Your answer is 2 cos 2x. This value is going to multiply the whole trig value. Saka this is your answer, brethren. Mungadai so munenge matopedza. Start with power, go to trig, end with algebra. Let us go on to 1b. Kana takuita 1b and differentiate the following with respect to x. Saka panapa tina cos 1 minus x squared. Mukada munogona kuti let y be equal to cos of 1 minus x squared. Therefore, dy dx is equal to, you can do it like this. Saka tinotanga ne power. Power yedu inofanirwa kunyorwa papi? Power yedu inofanirwa kunyorwa panapa. Saka hatina power. Mandika? Power yedu inofanirwa kunyorwa pano apa. We don't have a power. Because of that, we are going to ignore the first p. Ta-evaluate p pataita 1a kukuratidza kuti it's going to reduce to 1. Saka ignoring it is a proper mathematical decision. Saka when we ignore the power panapa, zvorava kuti takuenda ku t, we now want to differentiate with respect to trig. Saka chatarisa part na cos, tova tauya panapa. What is the derivative of cos? Ndi minus sine. Saka pano tonyora minus sine. Remember, angle munoinyora sezvairi, like this. So kana tatodaro, tinenge tatoita differentiate with respect to the trig. Tova tati times. Takuda kudifferentiate with respect to algebra. The algebraic part yedu is the angle 1 minus x squared. So what is the derivative of this? Of course, the derivative of 1 is 0. A constant reduces to 0 when differentiated. What about of minus x squared? It's going to be minus 2 x to the power 2 minus 1, which is just 1. Mazona. So what is going to be our final answer panapa? Minus 2x times minus 1 iri pano ndi 2x, then sine 1 minus x squared. Musaita mistake yekuti minus 2x moi multiply in this bracket. No. Whatever we get kuno, be it a number, a term, is going to multiply the whole trig. And it saka this part multiplies the whole part, the whole trig part. So this actually is our final answer. That is how it is done. Okay. Let us go to 1c. When it comes to 1c, kwanzi tan 3x plus 5 squared, and tikati let y be equal to the tan of 3x plus 5 squared. Therefore dy dx inenge equal to, do we have a power? We do not, because power yedu inofanirwa kuva panapa kurauti immediately pamberi patan. Saka 2 uno kana kuti squared uyu haziye power yatiri kutaura nezvayo. Tiri kutaura power inofanirwa kunge iri panapa isipo. Saka we are going to ignore the part of differentiating with respect to the power. We move on to differentiating with respect to trig. Totarisa tan. What is the derivative of tan? Sec squared theta. Saka panapa it's going to be sec squared. Remember, angle inodzoka sezvairi. Saka chatiri kuti angle is whatever is written after tan, after the trig function. Then panapa takuti times. We now want to multiply with what? Tiri kuda kumultiply with the derivative with respect to algebra. So we are going to differentiate this whole angle. Saka the derivative is going to be, remember, takati when we are differentiating complex algebraic expressions, if y is equal to ax plus b to the n, tichishandisa the power rule, dy dx inenge equal to n ax plus b to the n minus 1 multiplying the inner derivative, which is a. So that is the same principle we are going to apply panapa, where we are going to say 2 anodona 3x plus 5, then 2 minus 1 d1, and then multiply what? The inner derivative, which is the derivative of 3x plus 5, derivative of 3x d3, and derivative of 5 d0, where constant reduces to 0. So it's going to be something like this. So this is equal to sec squared 3x plus 5 squared times 6, here from 3 times 2, then 3x plus 5, like this. Further simplification entails sec squared 3x plus 5 squared times 6 times 3x, 6 12 18x plus 6 times 5 30. So our final answer tonyora takadai so in brackets. Mukasaisa ma brackets higher, your answer will be incorrect. 18x plus 30, then sec squared 3x plus 5 squared. This would be your answer. You are also allowed kuinyora makaisa a bracket panapa and also a bracket panapa to just make it more cuter. So that is what is done, Amatangu. It's not difficult. Just follow PTA. Let us go on to 2a. So what happens by 2a? What happens for 2a is we now have a power. Saka 2a, differentiate the following with respect to x. panapa tapiwa sine to the power 5 of 3x minus 1. F prime of x first derivative is going to be equal to what? Saka PTA inoti we start with the power. Saka what is the power here? Power yedu ndi 5. Saka chatanga ta differentiate with respect to power. Power yedu inodona yova 5 sine of, then 5 yacho yoti minus 1, 4, then engo yongonyorwa sezvairi. Saka zvandatonyorapo, that is differentiating with respect to the power. We look exclusively at the power. 5 adona, 5 asubtracta 1 akava 4, then we have a bracket of 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 is the angle, which is written as it is. Then tapedza kudilana p, takuenda pana t times, what is the derivative with respect to trig? Tinotarisa sine unoyu. Andika? What is the derivative of sine? The derivative of sine tikaya panapa tinoona kuti ndi cos. Then parikunzi theta zvoreva kuti tinobva tanyora the angle as it is. Saka chimwe chiri panapa ndechekukuratidza kudai so. Kuti zvaitikapo ndezvekuti the moment we went over to differentiate with respect to the trig, tino ignore the issue of the power. Saka power tatodhila nayo. Saka muri kuona kuti cos yedu haina kunyorwa any power panapa. Power tinenge tatodhila nayo. So that is what I want you to learn and appreciate here. Kuti power yatodhilwa nayo, saka power inosiwa paside. When we write our derived, our derivative, we are just going to write the angle. Then to vatazoti times to differentiate algebra, that is this bracket, times 3. So our answer here is going to be 5 times 3, that's 15, sine to the power 4, 3x minus 1, cos 3x minus 1. Hatina imwe nzira yekuisimplifya iyi. Saka ndo inenge itori final answer yedu. It's beautiful, and it's actually wondrous. It's beautiful. Now when it comes to 2b, part 2b tina cos to the power 7 x squared. Saka we differentiate with respect to power kureva kuti tichatarisa power. Let me remind you kuti power yedu ka 7 ako, not 2 uyu. Saka when we do that, tokuda f prime of x, this is going to be equal to 7 anodzika yova 7 cos 7 osubtractwa na 1, 6, then the angle yonyorwa sezvairi x squared. Tapedza ne power times takuenda ku trig, totarisa cos. The derivative of cos the minus sine. Sapanapa techiti minus sine of angle yedu x squared. Tapedza panapa toti times takuchitarisa trig, which is the angle x squared. Derive it, kana kuti differentiate it, not derive but differentiate it, tinowana 2x to the power 1, something like that. Saka tikazoti takudanyora final answer yedu toti 7 times 2x, that's 14x, but 14x we are going to multiply it by this negative to get minus 14x, then cos to the 6 x squared, then sine x squared. Of course you can just put this for cosmetics. Saka yadai so ndo inenge itori final answer yedu sezvazvakadai. Okay, that's 2b for us. Let us go to 2c. When we talk of 2c, it's tan cubed. 2x plus 1. So turn to the 3, 2x plus 1. We need its derivative f prime of x. We start with the power. Power yedu ndi 3. Saka 3 inodzika yova 3 tan squared engo yonyorwa sezvairi times. Then takuenda ku trig. Derivative ya tan ndi sec squared theta. So it's times sec squared engo yonyorwa sezvairi. Anditi. Then lastly takuenda ku algebra, which is the angle, the bracket. The derivative here is going to be 2. Of 2x and 2 of 1 is 0. So our final answer here is going to be 3 times 2, that's 6 tan squared 2x plus 1 sec squared 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. So tikadai so tinenge tatopedza madzangu. I really hope kuti manzwisisa kuti zvinoitwa sei. In our school, in our classes, we are going to have an assignment testing if you understood how this is ought to be done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can ask us in the comments, or you can ask us on WhatsApp on that particular number, 0715213310. But if you are not in Zimbabwe, use the Zimbabwean code +263. I also tender my invitation to you to join our school, the Math Hub. So what happens is, mukaona ma videos edu ari freely available by YouTube. They are going to help you. But if you need extra help, extra lessons, tutoring, you then have to join our school. The school was built for mainly 2 people. Number 1, maths repeaters. But since it's rare kuwana munhu ari kudzokorodza A-level maths, vazhinji vedu tinodzokorodza O-level maths. So maths repeaters, that is meant for those in O-level. But for students in A-level, the lessons are tailor-made for students who are finding, number 1, the transition from O-level maths to A-level maths difficult. Because O-level maths and A-level maths, they are 2 different worlds altogether. The thinking is different. Everything is different. And those who are generally finding pure mathematics to be a little difficult, you can join our school, or you can just benefit from YouTube. Thank you and have a nice day.